Mabuhay and good day everyone. I am Azumi Ayad. So today, I will be discuss about the types and uses of cleaning equipment and materials. Learning objectives. After reading this information sheet, you must be able to identify the different types and uses of cleaning equipment. Introduction. To fully understand and master one's craft, he or she must have a definitive knowledge on his or her fine tools. In housekeeping, this said, cleaning equipment and materials that are issued to the housekeeping personnel. Hotel cleaning equipment. Types of cleaning tools and equipment may include, but not limited to, several types of cleaning equipment are a vacuum cleaner, wet vacuums, wet extractions, mops, rotary floor machines, containers, brushes, brooms, dusters, and polishing clothes. First, let's start with vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is the most common equipment for cleaning, which is handling equipment affixed with nozzles and attachment. Vacuum cleaners can be primarily categorized in two types, such as the upright vacuum cleaner, and the second is floor vacuum. The upright vacuum is mas best siya gamiton sa mga carpeted areas and daily cleaning section. So perfect siya sa pagkuha og kanang mga dirt and kanang mga buhok-buhok nga naa sa carpet dapit. And then the floor vacuum is gana pud ni siya gamiton sa mga sa mga hard floors like tiles, wood, and kanang laminate. So that is cylindrical and spherical. So easy lang kayo siya gamiton pagkuan sa paglimpyo. The vacuum clean kinahanglan i-apply siya pinacross para to properly agitate the dust and sand during cleaning the carpet. Next is wet vacuums. Wet vacuums is used for absorb water from floors and give rinse the solid areas with the help of suction and water spray. So, the wet vacuum is mani ang mga gamiton for absorb water sa salog. Tapos mausab ni siya sa paghindo sa mga hugaw na areas by suction and water spray. So, then, ang squeeze attachment sa wet vacuum is kuan siya, gana siya gamiton sa paghindo sa floor of kanang sa wet carpet. Kay kuan niya kanang tanggalon niya ang mga mancha o para hamisab ang salog. And then kini siya is kuan na ay different forms, no? So naay pwede isuot sa likod og kanang naasab kanang nasa wet vacuum na kuan kaning naay ligid. Next is wet extraction. Wet extractions include suction and water injections, which are used to wash and suck water from the surfaces. Wet extraction are basically of two types. Lighter transportable tank version model. B. Heavy-duty pushcart variety. To get the perfect cleaning, the housekeeper need to first use injection to spray water and detergent on the surface and then use suction to suck the water in the built-in tank of the wet extractor. Wet extraction use suction and water injection to clean the surfaces. So there are two types of wet extraction, which is the portable models of heavy-duty pushcart. So para malimpyuhan og tarong imo na siya i-spray ang tubig and ang kuan kana detergent. Tapos imo siya ipasupsop ang tubig sa tank o wet extractor. Next is mops. So mops are an easy way to clean dust from floors. Most of the mops come in thick or loose woven cotton cloth. To bring the perfect cleaning, the housekeeper dip the mops in fresh or clean water and squeeze before wiping the floors and change the water after every week. I know that all of you or kitang tanan is aware na kung para sa asa ng mops o kung unsa ang kagamitan sa mops, which is kanang for cleaning or kanang pagwash sa salog
para sa mga para sa paglimpyo sa mga kuan no kanang mga tawag ani sa kanang mga abog sa salog. So mo na siya ang gamiton pagtrapo para kuan masinaw ang salog kanang makuha ang kanang mga dust or kuan scent. Tapos pag imo siya i-apply, need gyud nato siya ilubog sa clean water ug then imo din siya ikuan imo siya ikon ba para dili siya kaayo kaning basa kay lain siya i-apply once na ang basa ra kaayo. Next is rotary floor machines. Rotary floor machines types of containers versatile used for various tasks like shampooing, polishing, and scrubbing on floors like carpet. They come with different pads for spin cleaning, bonnet shampooing, mess cleaning, buffing, varnishing, stripping, scrubbing, and refinishing. So, the rotary floor machines, no, is mga versatile na siya na makina na pwede na ito gamiton in various tasks like spin cleaning for cleaning the floor, and then bonnet shampoo is for shampooing the carpet. And then ang mist cleaning is for cleaning nga kanang mag-spray ag tubig. And then stripping is for removing the coating sa mga salog. And then ang scrubbing is for scrubbing the dirt areas. So this machine can help to clean o pag-maintain sa kahimlo sa salog and carpet sa hotel or bisan asa na mga areas. Is container. So ang kaning container is made of plastic na siya or kanang galvanized metal na pwede nato ni siya kanang like baldi na pwede nato kabutangan og tubig o kuan. Ang sa kanang galvanized metal is pwede nato siya kabutangan og kanang cleaning materials like mga detergents o kanang uban pa. And then dustpan. So ang dustpan kabalo naman ta kung unsa ang kagamitan sa dustpan. So ang dustpan is for collecting dust or sand sa mga floors or bisan asa na areas. Pwede sa gawas. Kung magsilhig ta gamit jud kaayo ang dustpan for collecting ng mga hugaw sa dirt areas. And then housemaid box. Ang housemaid box is most na siya ang kanang butangan og kanang mga detergent o uban pa na mga kagamitan for cleaning. So diha na nimo siya. So diha gid nato ibutang ang kanang mga cleaning equipment and materials sa housemaid box. So mo ni siya ang brushes is made from different materials which comes from the variety of sizes and shapes. So the brushes is to clean sensitive surfaces like lampshades, TV, television, or table. Ang gamit diha na areas is kanang feeder brushes. And then ang nylon brush is for toilet sa bowl, which is sa bowl na nato i-brush para makuha ang gato mga hugaw-hugaw dito or kanang mga mancha sa bowl. And then hand brushes is to clean the carpet. So to clean the cane chair, soft nylon brush is used for preventing damages. Next is brooms. So the main job of a broom is to take away the large particles of soil from hard flat floors. Brooms are found in different categories such as soft brooms, hard brooms, push brooms, corn brooms, and whisk. The soft broom is kanang humukon siya na silhig like balastambo. Then hard brooms is gahion siya na silhig used for cleaning dirt and garbage sa sementado na floor. Tapos ang push broom is kanang silhig na medyo taas na usually ginagamit sa wide areas and kanang sa parking lot. Then whisk is humok gyapon siya na silhig, perfect for cleaning the dust sa floor. Next is dusters. Dusters are used into hotel to clean loose dust and wash various surfaces. Dusters and made of soft cotton, funnel, or artificial feather mounted on a stick. So ang kaning dusters no is kailaman mo ani kung unsa yung dusters, which is ang kanang kuan siya kanang ipanghinlo sa mga surfaces like kanang mga TVs, tables, like sa akong gilitok gaina. So daghay klase aning dusters na ay made of kuan artificial feeder, na ay sa kanang na ay dusters na kanang humok bitaw na kanang murag balahibo sa iring, o kanang kuan kanang made of nylon. So each dusters is lahi-lahi na pud na siya kagamitan. Polishing cloth. Polishing cloth separate dusters, dining table, kitchen slabs, etc. Attend the role of polishing cloth is to clean and burnishing the polished surfaces by rubbing them firstly. Some other cleaning cloths are dusting cloth, glass cloth, faucet duster, and sponge. Ang polishing cloth is pwede siya gamiton for cleaning jewelries like relo, salamin, and or kana metallic na mga butang. So gamit ni siya importante ni siya na gamit for kuan for cleaning or pangpahamis sa kuan sa mga butang. Of cleaning materials and kitchen cleaning, bathroom cleaning, dishware cleaning, and wood cleaning materials. So under sa kitchen cleaning materials is like sponge ug kanang sanitizer bitaw for table, sa mga gamit sa kitchen. And then ang sa bathroom is kanang Domex kanang mga liquid detergent na gamit sa toilet. And then ang sa dishware is kuan like Joy, mga Smart, or bisan sa. And then ang sa wood cleaning materials is kanang mga dusters, kanang silig bitaw na gahi, and then kanang spray like alcohol, and then kanang gloves siya. That's all everyone. I hope na nakasabot mo, ug I hope na namati mo og tarong sa ako. And sorry if I'm not perfect for delivering words sa inyo. Kita-kita na lang magsabot-sabot. Thank you. That's all. Bye-bye.